Daisy loves old homes and sent us an email about purchasing one. She says, I'd love to own an older home in Old Louisville, but I'm concerned about the upkeep and repairs that will be needed. And she's wondering, what should she look for and what can she expect in the types of repairs that will be required in an older home?
Well, that is a great question. Every older home is going to be a little bit different. The much older homes, let's go 120 years old and more. When we're inspecting those, oftentimes we're finding wood foundations that are still in place. You will find additions that have been added that are more modern, but the original portion of the house is still sitting on wood, shockingly enough. There are houses in town that still have knob and tube wiring in them. Most of it has been de-energized, as they say, but oftentimes we find parts of the home that still have energized knob and tube wiring. Sometimes that happens just because they add an extra outlet and somehow re-energize a system that they thought had taken out of commission. So I think the big things is you're really looking at the structure of the home, what it's sitting on, how it's making contact with the ground, and you're looking at electrical. Those are the two biggest concerns. After that, a lot of the homes have been fully renovated over time. Roofs, there's still some old slate type roofs that are out there. So the great part about the old homes is they have an incredible amount of character. The bad part about the old homes is they have a great amount of character. They're all kind of hand built and hand constructed, and everyone is a little bit different. So if you're looking at buying one, make sure that you're hiring a home inspector who knows how to inspect those older homes, because not all home inspectors have the experience to be able to actually do a thorough inspection on some of those very older historic homes in town.
Got it. All right. Yeah, they're beautiful. Old Louisville has well-known, documented, sought after by many people around the world because of the beautiful community down in Old Louisville.